I am giving you Havana, Cuba, baby. Get into it. Yes. Well, look at you coming back for another wig review. You might as well hit that subscribe button. I'll wait. Go ahead. Ain't nothing stopping you. Thank you so much to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Welcome back to the channel. And we are back with another review by our friends, our wig bays at Outre. So we're gonna hop right into this. Before we do that, definitely hit that subscribe button, drop your girl a comment down below, ring the bell, most importantly share the video, share the channel, just share so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Now we are gonna hop into my favorite line, honey. Melted hairline collection. Get into it.
My only number one Gotti. Even in my down times, I can get you out of my mind, sorry.
Well, go ahead and talk your ish, Outre. So I'm liking what I see so far. This is kind of like a wavy type of bob, baby. We've been bobbing it out lately. Ow. Now this is going to be a right side part. So for all my lefties, try again. So I'm liking the texture on here already. She does appear to be nice and full. I don't think I'll have to comb too much out. I really don't think I'm gonna have to do too much to this unit. I am curious to see if whether or not we can shift this kind of, you know, kind of do like a middle part, but we gonna see. We gonna see.
Guys, I didn't realize where I was. Until I came out and I saw a gypsy kitchen and I was like, wait a minute, I've been out here before.
Hey, I done run 1,000 days just to find you in my way. Nothing like you in this world. Promise never let it go. Oh wait. Baby, won't you calm down? Wanna know how you feel about you and me? Them they do too much, but you in control. Loving that about you. Me, I want it all. Oh, she my baby doll. Oh, body they hot. Oh, leading I'll follow. Me que la teña poco le quiero. Yo no de pe matento un tío. I wanna be wherever you go. Me que la teña poco le quiero. Yo no de pe matento un tío. You got my heart and I think you know, baby girl. And I done run 1,000 days just to find you in my way. Nothing like you in this world. Promise never let it go.
Okay, first of all, wearing all white anything all day and keeping it white smudge free has to be the boss level of adulting. And second of all, baby, you cannot tell me. Get into this. First I gave you summer nights in Miami, baby. I am giving you Havana, Cuba, baby. Get into it. Yes. Now there is one thing I do want to do, and that's just kind of snip some of these random ends off of this unit just to make it a little bit more full for my liking. We are just going to ignore the hair that is falling on my shirt. I'm going to cut right there, and I think that is it. Yeah, baby. Yeah. So first impression on this unit, it is giving me Outre Pastel vibes. This is kind of like a dupe-ish, if you will. Now Pastel, I did go ahead and do a review on that unit. If you're interested in checking that out, clickety click the eye wherever which corner it may be in. Ow. Now with Outre Pascal, that unit is a little bit longer. It's not as full as this one. This is more of a bob type of style, and it is fuller. So if you are looking for a dupe for that unit, this may be the way to go. Just gonna be a little shorter. Now for whatever reason, I did notice that the top of this unit was not exactly flat as I would like it to be, okay, Outre. So I did go through with my hot comb and it laid pretty flat, but I think it is the cap fit on this unit. It was just kind of bulging a little bit in the back. However, it did not affect the style on this unit, so I'm really not too concerned with that. Now you did see me go through with my rat tail comb and I did just kind of curve the part just to take out that straight look to it. They did a phenomenal job on the parting space though, let me tell you, okay? You really only have to apply some pressed powder, concealer, whatever you're going to do into the parting space. You're pretty much good to go. For me, I do like a little bit more of a curvature to my part, so that is what I did. Now in the past, I have had an issue with that harsh line of demarcation when it comes to the hairline on the Melted Hairline collection and the Perfect Hairline collection. So this go around, I did not brush back the baby hairs. I left them and just finessed them into the hairline. Now on this channel, honey, we like messy hairlines, okay? If you ain't with it, you ain't with it, okay? I do the swoopity swoops from time to time, but listen, in the swoopity swoops, we don't always be swooping, okay? So I did keep it nice and messy on the side. You can kind of see the lace right here, and that is one of my issues with this particular unit. Not a lot of coverage on the side, so I am thinking about my ladies who are dealing with hair loss, alopecia, chemotherapy, or any other type of hair loss that you are going through or living with. You are not going to have any protection on the sides. Now lately I have been treading lightly on how much makeup I use on the lace for my hairlines. Listen, under these lights they will tell all your business, all your business. So if I tilt my head and it looks a little lighter than maybe it should look, trust me, in natural lighting, I'm good to go. However, I'd rather have it a little lighter than usual than too damn dark. We don't want that. That's a hot mess and a half. If you did want to go ahead and buy this unit anyway, and maybe you do have hair loss on the sides of your head, then you can just take your rat tail comb, pull some of this hair down, tease it, and I would actually spray this right into place, so it gives you a little bit more coverage and you don't necessarily have to worry about not being gone with the wind fabulous. So I did install this side glued down. The other side I left it as is for those of you who are not really good or still learning how to install your units. You can see what it looks like kind of straight out of the pack. For me, it's not going to be an issue on the side where the part is covered because hey, ain't nobody gonna see that part, right? But I think she came out good. I love the density on this unit. I love the freaking curls. This bob is just everything. Yeah, so I love the length. Let's get more units this length. Definitely keep it nice, simple, cute, and to the point, Outre, and we are always good to go. So big thank you to them for sending out the unit. If you are interested in checking out the information for LEXANNE, I will have a direct link to the Google search in the description box down below. I will try to find it on Amazon, and you can check out my Amazon storefront. However, be aware, you might pay a little bit more, boo. But guess what? You kind of helped me out. Ding! So with that being said, thank you to all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button before you go. Ring the bell. Drop a comment. And of course, share the video. Share the channel so we can all slay accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.